Tom Casey from Griffin Service, home of the Filtration AC. And today we're talking about the fourth component of the Filtration AC system, which is enhanced filtration and sterilization of the air. Here in Florida, we live in a subtropic, very high humidity climate zone, which the air is contaminated with things like mold spores and pollen and other types of viruses and bacteria and allergens. And when that's mixed with our houses and the air that's circulating throughout our houses and ductwork, it's the perfect storm for problems. According to EPA and Energy Star and several other alphabet soup agencies, the air inside of our homes is way more contaminated or way less healthy and clean than the air outside of our homes. So just imagine that concentration of all those things in the air inside of our homes being recirculated over and over and over in our duct system, being pulled back by the return, circulated through the blower and coils and things, drains of our air conditioning system, and then pushed back out through the supply duct and then out the grills into our house. That's a vicious cycle that goes on any time that the system is running. Now, those contaminants, any types of bacteria, allergens, microbes, anything at all that's in the air circulating through our system, it sees the perfect situation inside of our air handling unit and our cooling system to promote microbial growth, bad things. The temperature in there is cool, it's wet, it's dark. Everything conspires to be able to optimize this microbial growth. So what do we got to do about it? Well, first thing is we got to try to filter out the bad stuff, catch the yucky stuff before it gets into our unit, before it gets onto those surfaces of the coil and the blower and the pans and the drains and stuff like that. And we do that with a specialized high efficiency filter that can capture things down to the tiniest micron size, but not interfere with the actual airflow. A high efficiency filter by itself sounds good, but if its air pressure loss or its restriction is too high, it will actually lower the airflow and compound the problems of the system even worse. So the right filter with enhanced filtration at very low pressure drops is crucial. And then to sterilize or purify the air, we need to use ultraviolet light at the right intensity called microwatts. There's a lot of different ultraviolet lights out there, but if it's not the right intensity, it won't actually do its job. It'll take care of the surfaces, so it will take care of like things on the surface of the coil, but the airstream is what we've got to purify. The air going by before it gets back into your home is what we've got to purify and sterilize, and that takes ultraviolet light at the right microwattage. So those things combined, enhanced filtration and sterilization, are the fourth component to protect your system and keep it dehumidifying properly, keep it healthy and clean, keep it running at its capacity and at its efficiency. It's always your home, your money, your decision. It will help you select the right components for your fluorinated system on filtration and sterilization. Boom.